Pete the Cat Itsy Bitsy Spider Craft with Miss Tara from the Rolla Public Library. Get your Pete the Cat items from your library grab bag. The Pete the Cat face, yellow eyes, white circles, black circles, white nose, black string, cotton, and from home you'll need scissors, glue, and a black crayon. This craft is super easy when you follow the Pete the Cat pattern on the blue paper. Now let's make Pete the Cat. Cut out Pete's face from the blue paper. Pete's eyes are big and yellow. To make his eyes, we need to do it in layers. Cut out the big yellow eyes and glue them on Pete. Cut out the two white circles. Carefully trim off the tops in a straight line. Glue them onto the bigger circles on the yellow eyes. And to finish Pete's eyes, cut the black circle in half. Glue it at the top of the white circle. Cut out and glue on Pete's nose. That way he can smell things as he's prowling around. Pete has 3 different lengths of whiskers on each side of his nose. Trim the black string and glue them on. Pete's spider friend has built a web on his head. Put glue on Pete's forehead and pull apart the cotton balls until they're soft and fluffy like a web, and paste those on between his ears. Use the black crayon to draw the itsy bitsy spider anywhere on Pete. Great job!